What if I told you that you could start making money online while you sleep using AI? No coding, no big investment, just smart tools doing most of the work for you. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful AI passive income ideas that beginners in the USA are using right now to generate real income. Make sure you watch till the end, because idea number 5 can literally change your financial future. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we talk about making money online, AI tools, and financial freedom. Passive income doesn't mean zero work, but it does mean building something once and getting paid again and again. And thanks to AI, it's now easier than ever. Let's get started. Idea 1. YouTube automation with AI. This is one of the most popular methods right now. You don't need to show your face or even use your own voice. Here's how it works. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to write scripts. Step 2. Use 11 Labs for voiceover. Step 3. Use Pictory or InVideo to create videos. Upload consistently, and once your videos start ranking, they can generate income for months or even years. You earn through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Idea 2. AI blog plus affiliate marketing. AI can help you build a blog faster than ever. Use tools like ChatGPT to write SEO-optimized articles. Pick a niche like personal finance, AI tools, health and fitness. Add affiliate links to products or tools. Every time someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. This can become fully passive once your blog ranks on Google. Idea 3. Selling AI-generated digital products. You can create and sell digital products using AI. Examples: Ebooks, templates, Notion planners, resume designs. Use ChatGPT to create content, Canva to design, and sell on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Once uploaded, you can earn again and again without extra work. Idea 4. AI Shorts content. Short-form content is exploding right now. Create YouTube Shorts using AI voice, stock clips, fast captions. Topics: money tips, AI tools, motivation. Shorts can go viral quickly and bring traffic to your main content. Idea 5. AI stock content. Create stock images, videos, or music using AI and upload them to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock. Every time someone downloads your content, you get paid. Use tools like Mid-Journey or DALL-E for images. This is a long-term passive income stream. Idea 6. AI freelancing automation. Use AI to complete freelance work faster. Offer services like content writing, video editing, social media posts. Complete work using AI tools and scale your income. Eventually, you can outsource and make it semi-passive. Idea 7. AI course creation. Create an online course using AI. Use ChatGPT for script, Canva for slides, and record with voiceover. Upload on platforms like Udemy, Teachable. Once published, you can earn every time someone enrolls. So those were 7 powerful AI passive income ideas you can start today. Remember, the goal is not to try everything, but to pick one and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment AI below. And if you want more videos like this, check out the next video on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.